Hey guys, so we are about to go to Galiff Street, me and Dustin here. So Galiff Street is about 2 hours from where we are right now. That is if we go by taxi. But today we are going to take metro, and hopefully we'll be there we'll be there within 30 minutes or so. So we'll keep you updated. Alright, so we just stepped out from the metro and we are now heading towards the Galiff Street, and I hope there are some few shops that are open. And Dustin is so fucking tired right now. Did I just say fuck? So we are here at Galiff Street. Here there are some different kinds of birds. Pet accessories. Here we are at the dog section, I guess. The different kinds of puppies. Oh, look at that! Here we have, I think this is some kind of like Indian parrot. So here they have baby parrots as well. Look at how cute they are, but it's so sad to see that they put them in such a small cage. So these baby parrots are about 1,200. I don't know why they're so costly. Maybe they're rare species, I don't know. Look at all these birds. So there are different sections here, like the plant section, the birds, the puppies. Look at the baby parrots. Oh yeah. There's a. Oh, look at that. It's a guinea pig. Whoa! Look at this pigeon. Like, they're so fancy. I'm so fancy. You already know. They look like a parrot. There's some duck. It's a duck. Not a duck. Okay, so I guess we are entering the fish section. Here we have some fish supplies and some fish tanks and plants. I know, that's too small. As you can see, let's walk around first and here some more of fish supplies, and they have, look at this, all these live rocks and gravels of different types, some sand and some, whoa, this is crazy. Oh my god, look at this one. Oh wow, look at this fish. Oh my god, that's it. Oh wow. Oh my god. Wow. These are just beautiful. Oh, look at this. And they have different kinds of fish. They just put them in a plastic tub and I don't like how you just throw in the fish like. They got loads of fish everywhere. Look at all these plants. And as you can see, all of that, it's all about fish. Everything. Oh my god. Woo. So as they say, this place is called the pet lovers paradise, and look at that. Oh wow. Look at that. Look at all that. They have snails as well, and maybe fish of different kinds of goldfish. Alright, hey guys, so we are back from Galiff Street. I was a bit disappointed today because I didn't want to wake up early in the morning. But anyway, this whole video is to show you guys or to let you know and to give you the idea of what Galiff Street looks like. So that's it. Thank you for watching and I hope you guys like this video. Bye!